Today, I'll show you how to see downloaded files in Telegram. When you download a file from Telegram, it can be saved in different places depending on your device and the type of file. You can usually find downloads directly inside Telegram or in your phone or computer storage. First, open Telegram. Go to the chat where you downloaded the file. Scroll through the conversation and look for the file, photo, video, or document. If you want to find files faster, tap or click the name of the chat at the top. Now open Media, Files, or Shared Media. Here, Telegram shows the photos, videos, documents, links, and audio files shared in that chat. If you are using Telegram on Android, downloaded files may also appear in your phone's file manager. Open Files or File Manager, then check folders like Downloads, Telegram, Telegram Documents, Telegram Images, or Telegram Video. If you are using Telegram on iPhone, downloaded files usually stay inside Telegram unless you manually save them to the Files app or Photos app. If you are using Telegram Desktop, downloaded files are usually saved in the Downloads folder, unless you change the download location in Telegram settings. To check this, open Telegram Desktop, go to Settings, then Advanced, and look for the download path. Once you find the file, you can open it, move it, or share it from your device. And that's it. You now know how to see downloaded files in Telegram. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.